Hey folks, Keith with 93 Lumber coming back at you with another beer. This is a Crowler that I picked up today from Shangy's in Emmaus, Pennsylvania. It is Thirsty Dog. It is their Rail Dog aged in Bing Cherry Mead barrels, I think. I think it just got cut off. It was $6.99. Rail Dog is, I have it pulled up here, is a smoked black lager. I couldn't find anything about this specifically because I looked on Instagram a little bit, but I don't have I can't log into Instagram on my computer at the moment, so I can't fully look into it, and I didn't see anything else on there, but or anywhere else on the internet. But yeah, it's a smoked beer in cherry mead barrels. So, I don't know. Yeah, so I picked this up. Ooh, yeah. Got a big whiff of cherries or some sort of fruity thing. Yeah, dark. The ABV on the smoked black lager is 6.7%. I think it said it was 7% at Shangy's on the board. So yeah, had dissipated pretty quick. Yeah, but it's got a little bit of like soda vibes. Yeah, soda-y. But yeah, just a wow, that is pretty dark. A little bit of brown in there, but pretty dark. Let's see what it smells like. Yeah. There is a nice smokiness to it. There is like a soda vibe. Like it kind of smells like cherry cola a little bit. Yeah, that smokiness is like roasty. Or not the smokiness, but the beer is roasty. It is smoky. It's got a nice like ashy, charry kind of thing to it. But yeah, there is a cola vibe to it. I don't think there is a sweetness in here that I don't think is coming from the beer. But I don't know if I'm specifically getting cherries or if it's just in my head. But it smells pretty good. So let's see what it tastes like. Cheers. That is super cool. I have to remember that mead isn't a spirit. So I was kind of expecting a spirity kind of thing just because whatever, but yeah. Cause the way what the like what that like the mead character does to this is it kind of pushes it to the background and it kind of just blurs it. So it's smoky. So up front you don't really get like when you first swallow, you kind of get a little bit of like a sweet thing from the mead. There's a little bit of cherry in there. And then you get the beer, which is smoky and like, it is like super chocolate for me. This is, I was debating on whether I should get a 16 because they do 8 ounce, they do 12 ounce. They do 16, they do 32. And I was like, maybe I should just get an 8 or a 12 just in case it's not good. But then I was like, what if it's really good and then I only have 12 ounces of it? So I opted for the 16, and I am glad that I did. Yeah. The carbonation is a little bit cola-like too. Except it's not as like spritzy. Not a huge carbonation either. There's just a light spritziness to it. Yeah, that's super cool. I also have never had anything from Thirsty Dog, so I was kind of going into this more blind than I usually am, because I don't even know if I've heard of Thirsty Dog. They are... Where are they? Their tap house is in Akron, Ohio. Akron? I feel like I know how to pronounce things until I say them out loud, and then my brain is just like, blah. Yeah. This is super cool. Yeah. Very, very soda-like with the carbonation. Except, like I said, it's a little bit... It's not as carbonated as soda, but it gives the same kind of vibes to it. Yeah. It is so chocolate. Like, the chocolatiness is kind of overtaking the smokiness. Which is weird because the nose is like, it's smoky and sweet. And then the taste, you get, it's not super sweet. Like, it's not overly sweet. It's not even very sweet. It's not even, I don't know. It's slightly sweet. But yeah. This is cool. This is really cool. I really like this. So yeah, I think I've talked enough about it. Yeah, so Thirsty Dog. Cool. I really like this. It was $6.99 for this growler. Yeah. So I hope you're all doing well. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. You can like this video if you'd like to. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You can follow me on Instagram at 93lumber. That's spelled out 93lumber. And we will see you in the next one. Cheers.